Hello, hi, good morning. Oh, this is your Ganesh sir. Today in this video, I'm going to explain the basic operations with irrational numbers. Irrational numbers like root numbers are there. Basic operations, so how to add, how to subtract, how to divide. These things, one or two examples I'll give you. At the same time, how to rationalize the denominator and numerator. Such kind of problems I'm going to explain in this video. Yeah, we all know that, for example, root 2 and root 3 and root 5, these type of numbers are there. These are all different types of numbers. These are having square roots. So why these are all comes under irrational numbers? We can irrational numbers. That means the number which is having square root, and square root under what is the number is there, those are not perfect squares. The numbers which are not perfect square, if they are in under root, they are all comes under irrational numbers. But these type of numbers are different things, different type of form. This is a different form, and these type of numbers are called surds. We are giving a different separate name, surds. In surds again two types are there. This is radical form. We can say radical form. This is if root is there means radical form. If the root 2 also we can express in the form of 2 power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2. So in the power fraction is there. For example, root 3 we can write 3 power 1 by 2. So these are also surds but exponential forms. These are, so this is radical form, this is exponential form. Here a few surds are there. These are all, the first three are in radical form and remaining three are exponential forms. So how can we write, how can we convert radical to exponent and exponent to radical? So we have some basic idea about all these things. That's the reason I'm explaining. Here root 3 is there. Root 3 we can write 3 power 1 by 2. And here you see third root, this is third root 5, it is not, here you see 3, and the difference is what, this is different thing, and 3 root 5 is different. That means 3 multiplies root 5, but here third root, the root value given, that is third root, and this one is different and this one is different. That difference we need to understand. And now how can we write third root 5 means 5 power 1 by 3. Here 3 is there means here we should write 3. At the same time, how can we write fourth root 7? Fourth root 7, 7 power 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So these are the conversions we can write it. At the same time, here exponential form given. How can we write in the radical form? That means square form. How can we write it? Let us see. Under root 5, but here in the power exponent 7, 1 by 7 is there, that is 7. Here we have to write it, 7th root. What is the meaning of 7th root? 5. And here one more thing, here you see in the power 2 by 5 is there. First, how can we write this? In the denominator, what is the number is there that you write it, that is 5th root 7. This numerator, it will be power of 7, power of 7. So in this way we can write it. That means it is 5th root 7 7s are 49, also we can write it. At the same time, 142 power 1 by 2 we can write under root 142. 2 means here we can write or not, no problem, simply we can leave it. Yeah, in this, how do we add irrational numbers like root 2 plus root 3? What is the answer? Or otherwise 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2. How can we add it? So how can we add or subtract? So for that, first the given terms, for example, this is expression root 2 plus root 3, plus or minus are there, we can say those are numerical expressions. So in this, first these are first terms, second terms we can say, and here you see, here only root 2 is there, here 2 root 2 is there, 2 into root 2. This is mixed term, this is only term, mixed term, this is mixed terms are, that means one real number and one combination of real number and irrational number, that is mixed terms. But how can we add it? So here first we have to know what are like terms and unlike terms. Like terms means under root whatever numbers are there. For example, root 2 and 2 root 2 and 4 root 2. Here see all are root 2, root 2, root 2s are there. These are all like terms. These are all like terms. And one more thing, 3 root 3 or otherwise root 3 or 4 root 3. Root 3 is common in all the things. So these are all like terms. Like terms. Unlike terms means root 2 and root 3 different irrational numbers are there, unlike terms. So after this, whenever the expression is there, in that the terms are like terms or not, we have to check it. If the given numbers are like terms, easily we can add it. Okay, in this some problems are there. Here see first term root 2, second term 2 root 2. So here plus is there, we have to add it. And one more thing, here root 2 both are like terms. That means we can, here 1 root 2 is there, 2 root 2. 1 plus 2, 3 root 2 is the answer. We can add it. And subtraction, you see here 1 root 5 is there, minus 4 root 5s are there. So 1 minus 4 how much? Minus 3 root 5. Minus 3 root 5. That is the subtraction. And here 4 root 7, 2 root 7 like terms. So 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 2 root 7. So in this way we can write it. Here both are like terms, root 3, root 3. But root 3 minus root 3, 0. Because cancel, both are same numbers. We can cancel it like x minus x. So the same whatever algebraic expressions we are doing the operations, same operations we can apply for these things also. Unlike terms means we can't add or subtract. For example, root 2 plus root 3. So without using this plus sign we can't write. Same root 2 plus root 3 only. There is combinedly we can't write. Combinedly we can't write it. Or otherwise 3 root 7 plus 4 root 5. Can we add it? 3 plus 4 we can't, because root 7, root 5 both are different, unlike terms. We can't add it. So these are the addition and subtraction. Okay, multiplication how can we do it? Let's see, these two are same terms, root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 means root 2, both are like terms, same terms, root 2 whole square, that is. So here square and root gets cancelled, we'll get 2 is the answer. And here see both are unlike terms. Root 2 into root 3 means simply multiply 2 3s are 6 under root. Root 6 is the answer. We can multiply directly. And here you see first 3 root 2, 4 root 2 is there. Then first multiply 3 into 4. 3 into 4 into, and one more thing is what? Here, so 3 into 4 into root 2 whole square. Actually this is 3 into 4 into root 2 whole square. 3 4s are 12 and root 2 these two gets cancelled. 2 is there. 2 12s are 24. This is the answer. If we multiply these two, we'll get 24. Yes, if I multiply these two, then what I have to do? First 2 into 3. 2 into 3 and root 2 into root 3. Then multiply 2 3 is 6 and 2 3 is 6. That means 6 root 6. In this way we can multiply the irrational numbers. Or otherwise, if there is any squares are there, 2 root 2 whole square, then what we have to do? 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Then 2 2s are 4, root 2 into root 2 2, 4 2s are 8. In this way we can multiply the irrational numbers. How can we divide? These two are same. For example, root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. Answer is 1. And here 3 1s are, 3 2s are. The root 3 gets cancelled. Here is 1 by 2. So this is the division directly. If direct numbers are there, we can write it. Or otherwise root 2 by root 3 is there. We can write the root is common for both. 2 by 3 we can write. This is the division format of irrational number. I hope you understand the basic operations with the irrational numbers, and you can solve remaining problems, practice more problems, easily you can get it. Yes, thank you very much. If you like this video, share and like it. Thank you.